Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I upload, well, I haven't uploaded them lately because I've been over in the UK visiting my family. My nephew, Daniel.
Hello.
Yes.
Wait, if you watch the other one, you probably saw me.
Yes. You might have seen Daniel before and some of the previous ones.
What we said? Leave likes. Smash it. Smash it.
That's it. There we go.
Smash it.
Smash it. Anyway, so I haven't been uploading these every day. I have been recording them every day and hoping to get back on track with my daily uploads, but we do what we can and obviously family comes first. So today is day number, let's have a look, Daniel.
191.
191. And before we get into today's thought on confidence, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure that you do hit that notifications button so that you can get your daily boost in confidence.
Don't forget, subscribe.
Yes, tell them, Daniel. Okay, and you're going to tell them what the thought of the day is?
I can't read.
Yes, you can.
I can read normal join writing.
Oh, you
not
can't read
fabulous.
cursive. Okay.
Not fabulous.
You can't do
join.
that. Okay, so
Can't do
this
that.
says confidently practice your confidence every day. Confidently practice
I'm not very
your confidence
confident at
every day.
everything.
Aren't you? What are you confident at?
Well, you know.
What's that? What is that?
Being violent.
No, we don't like violence. We don't like violence. What else are you confident at? You're confident at reading? Yeah?
Yes.
You like your reading? So we are talking about confidence because it's important that you have confidence to do all the things like read and drawing and...
I love drawing. I'm an artist.
Are you an artist?
I'm an artist.
Are you an artist?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's
I'm
good.
the
This is
real-
Olivia.
Ah.
And
real.
yes, so you know what the thing is? Both of you were born 100% confident. Do you know that? In everything.
What?
Yes.
Even?
Yes.
Let
But-
me measure
look.
your face.
All right.
No.
Oh, measuring my face. Okay. But, so each one of you was born confident, right?
Oh,
And then you're learning all your new skills. And when you're learning new things, you might not feel confident when you first start out. But
Can we do this?
the more you practice, the more confident you become.
Can we do the
Do you see that?
Can we do the spinny? Can we do the video?
Okay, let me finish the
spinny?
video, Olivia. Let me finish the video. So remember when you first started reading, Daniel?
Yeah.
And then
It's a long time.
it's a long time ago and you didn't think you were very good at it, right?
Yeah, I suck.
You sucked. But now, because you practiced and you practiced and you practiced,
I wrote the entire
whole
box of Captain.
underpants.
Yes.
Yes.
All of them. There's
And so now you're super
12
confident.
books.
That's
I
amazing.
finished them all.
Give me a high five for that. Yeah.
Mommy.
Yeah. And a high five for you. Do you agree, Daniel? You've got to practice.
Yes.
Because with practice, you get better. And when you get better, you get more confident, yes?
Yes. And also,
Brains. You get brains when you practice.
brains.
Daniel says so.
Rip them out.
Rip them out.
Open them up
No.
and put everything that a grown-up knows. Then close it.
That would
put
be
it back
good.
in your head and glue your head over.
That would be
Head on.
useful, yes. That would be, maybe there's a neater way of doing that. But,
Or like whooshing.
or like a USB stick maybe in your ear and you can download everything, yes? Anyway,
If you're a
So,
robot, you can.
if you're a robot, you can. So that's a thought for the day. Thanks to Olivia, my favorite niece, and Daniel, my favorite nephew. My goodness, these videos are very, very different when I record them here in the UK. So if you haven't been practicing your confidence, go out and practice the thing that you need to
Or
practice.
maybe check out the plants.
Check out the plants. You should do that too. And if today's video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notifications button, share it with a friend. And if you want to take your confidence to the next level, make sure that you enter to win a ticket to my confidence workshop happening on the 4th of August, All you have to do is share this video on Facebook using the hashtag confidence competition, no confidence workshop competition, and then come back here and leave a comment letting me know that you've shared it. Otherwise, if you want to make sure that you're definitely getting into that workshop, and check out the link details below. See you again tomorrow.
Now spin it.